Hi, this is the Samsung Galaxy A05S and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now let's make a couple of tries to unlock the device to see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we could see, the fingerprint scanner option works here so fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device without any problems just in half of the second. So this is the perfect result for the fingerprint unlock method. So you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.